Hey guys, so for today's video, I have another try on clothing haul. I'm really excited because this one is super huge. I have literally so many items over here and even behind me that you guys can't even see. There's so much stuff. So in this video, I'm actually gonna be sharing with you everything from Macedo. This isn't sponsored by them or anything. Do you guys see this right now? He's basically asking me for permission to go up. Come on. So like I was saying, this isn't sponsored by Macedo. They did send me these items. They reached out to me and asked me to choose some pieces, so I was more than excited, obviously, to choose items, and I ended up choosing so many, so I figured why not just do a haul? Not that that matters, because honestly, you guys don't mind. You know that I'm super honest and you really trust me. We just have a really good, you know, we understand each other like that. What I love about Macedo is they actually keep a color theme, and that's actually kind of different. Like, I never really have seen a shop like that. Mainly, like, obviously shops carry different items, but with Macedo, they kind of keep a theme. So all of their nude pieces are the same shade of nude. All of their gray is the same shade of gray. And I personally love that because you can mix and match different pieces and they all match exactly. Like, every single piece, you can take that top with that skirt and they're gonna match. You can take that top with those leggings and they're gonna match. I personally just love that because it makes outfit choosing super simple. So yeah, let's get into it. I chose a lot of obviously neutral colors because, you know, your girl's all about them neutrals, but today I'm actually wearing a baby pink dress and I feel like a little soft Barbie. Not like a glam Barbie, because glam Barbie I feel like is neon. Like a little soft Barbie today. Also, Macedo carries so many basics. Like, they carry a couple like really nice standout pieces, but they are known for their basics. So I am really excited to share these with you. All of these that I chose because you guys know I love basic pieces. Like, I am a basic bitch. Okay, I'm a basic bitch. It's okay. I love basic pieces. They just look so clean. I think less is more with fashion. Like, it just looks clean and simple. And because I love makeup, I like to let the glam speak and then the fashion be like simple and minimalistic. So I just love how they have so many great basics. But one thing I wanted to say to you guys is the quality. Like, the quality though, you could tell a difference between this and like obviously more affordable stores. But you guys know I love affordable fashion. Macedo is a little bit more pricey than my average kind of piece. But I mean, you could, like, you know what I'm saying? You really could tell. Like, the quality is on point. You could tell it's not gonna wear out easily. Just very high quality stuff. So you know what, let me stop rambling and let's just get into the pieces that I got. So a lot of the pieces that I got, I picked them up in multiple colors because I'm that type of person where if I love a piece, I want it in every single color. So I got a lot of the same pieces in every shade of neutral. I ain't mad at it. So the first piece that I got is this beautiful oversized long line. Also, by the way, so just so that I don't have to keep like repeating it every single time, I got every single piece in a size small and it actually fits really nice. Everything fits really nicely. If I do try on something and I want to leave a little note, I'll leave a little text on the try on portion. But yeah, so this is their gray. I love their shade of gray because it has a little bit of that blue undertone. So it's a little bit smoky looking. I absolutely love it. And again, just the quality of the zipper. It actually says Macedo on the zipper. Also, little details like this are super cute. Macedo is printed on the back there. But I did also get the matching track pants. Let me actually just pull them out and share with you guys. I wish you could feel the material of these. They're not spandex, but like they're not fully cotton. They just have this really smooth, buttery type of cotton feel. Like super smooth, super buttery. And they have like that stretch. Like, I don't know, they just are a very nice material. I've never ever tried track pants like these. These actually fit really nicely. If you are a size like 0 or 2, these are probably gonna be a little big on you, but these fit me really nicely and they sit really nicely as well. And I really like the bottoms, just simply cuffed. You have Macedo printed on the side and you have the pockets just sitting on the side too. So I really love these. And again, this is matching for the sweater, so you can wear the full matching tracksuit as well. So we're gonna go in order of shade. So I'm gonna show you guys all the gray pieces first, all the nude pieces first. This is gonna be really satisfying. So another gray piece that I picked up, and again, you'll notice it is the exact same gray. So you can mix and match and pair everything together. I got this short sleeve button up crop top, really cute. Then I picked up this really basic, simple bodysuit. I haven't tried this piece on yet, so I can't really give you guys my thoughts. But what I can say is it does seem kind of short. So maybe if you're like 5 feet or like 4'11", this will be perfect for you. I'm 5'1", but for some reason I can never wear petite bodysuits. Like bodysuits that are made for, you know, short girls, they don't work on me. Maybe I just have a longer torso. Like, I don't really know, but this just seems like, if you have a short torso, I guess is what I'm saying, this will work for you, but this seems like, I don't know, or maybe it's meant to be like high rise. I know that's like a trend lately. I'm not really feeling that trend. I feel like it looks awkward. When the bodysuit's high rise and it's like showing above your jeans, I feel like it looks awkward. But I know that's a trend, so maybe that's what they tried to do, but I'm gonna try it on, obviously, vlog style and show you guys. And it is a thong bathing suit too, which is always nice so you don't show panty lines. So the next piece, I am absolutely obsessed with this. This is actually the top version of the dress that I'm wearing right now, but in gray. I love it so much. Just a really sleek, like crew neck, long sleeve crop top. So pretty, and it actually has a zipper in the back. The material is actually super soft and smooth as well, and what I like about this material is it really hugs you. So this one I absolutely love. Like, I cannot wait to wear this, you guys. So cute. This is a crop top sweater with a raw edge. I love raw edges. They just give it a little bit of edge, a little bit of something, and again, I love simple fashion, so things that just have little tiny details like that make my life. Like, I just love it. But anyways, I really, really love the fit of this too. Just a really cute cropped sweater that you could pair with the track pants, the leggings, whatever. Even if you want to wear this with some jeans, whatever floats your boat. And again, we have meshki printed on the back. Like, just little things like that look super cute. This is actually also the same material as the track pants, just a really smooth, kind of stretchy, soft, super buttery feeling material. Then we have the exact same dress that I'm wearing right now, but in gray, and it's just a long sleeve dress. Super simple, but just really makes a statement. It just looks so clean when you wear it, and what I love about this is it almost has a little bit of a double layer, so it kind of like just hugs you, which I really like. I feel like I'm like in there when I wear it. And there is a zipper on the back, but I have no trouble doing it up myself. You know how sometimes it's annoying, you have to like ask somebody to zip it up for you, and if you live alone, that's kind of like an issue. This is not a problem. I had no issues just taking it from the back, zipping it up, and then pulling the rest halfway. So really smooth, seamless zipper, not like cheap or like, you know, feels like it's gonna rip apart, just super easy and seamless. So I have the button-up crop top again, but this one is in the long sleeve, and I just really love having both options because, you know, summer, fall, spring, I just, depending on my mood, sometimes I want long sleeve, sometimes I want short sleeve, so yeah. And also it is ribbed. Also, I just realized my nails really match the dress that I'm wearing. A lot of you guys ask me what my nail care routine is, what nail polish I use. My cuticles are really dry right now. Please ignore that. They go crazy in the winter, and it's really cold here in Toronto. But anyways, yeah, a lot of you guys ask me my nail care routine. What color am I always wearing? Go ahead and download my app. I actually did an entire post talking about my favorite go-to signature nail color and also my shape and all my nail details. So go ahead and download my app. I'm gonna leave the link down below. Okay, this dress I'm gonna have to hold up for you guys because of the style of it. It doesn't really sit on a hanger properly, but I am obsessed with this dress. Like, so sexy of a neckline, and this neckline is really trendy right now, but it just looks so damn sexy. Like, I guess because you're just showing off one shoulder, it's so clean, and it just gives that little bit of sass. I really love it. So it kind of just sits on you like this. Really pretty. Actually, side note on this dress right here, which is also the gray one that I was showing you guys, I love this dress. It fits really nicely, but just know it's definitely one of those dresses that you probably want to wear no panties with. Like, I'm wearing none right now because you see just because of the material, like even you can see a tiny bit of my bra, just because of the material. It's not thin at all, but just the material really maps out any line that shows. Like, if your bra strap is gonna show, if you have a panty, it's gonna show the outline of your panties. So this is just the type of dress you go commando in, okay? But let's move in to the black pieces. I love this top, you guys. So pretty. It's kind of hard to see because this one's black, but it has like that V-neck, and it just looks really pretty. It shows a little bit of cleavage, and it also is a raw cut, so there's no edges over here, and I like that because it just gives it a little bit of edge. So here's the button-up crop top again. I decided to get it in black as well. This dress, I know I'm just going to love, okay? This is the same one, but in black. It's just gonna look so, like, I feel like this design looks the most classy in black, just because, again, with the one shoulder, it's just super simple and clean with a little bit of sass. You have to get the black in this. So simple. This is like your little go-to little black dress. So last gray and black piece are these leggings. I'm gonna pull up the gray ones to show you. I haven't tried these ones on yet, so I don't know exactly how they fit. I will say I'm usually not a fan of this type of band. I prefer when it's wider because it really cinches me in. And these do look like they're gonna be a little too high rise because I am 5'1". So anything that's too high rise, it sits too high, and then I feel like my tummy doesn't get tucked in. Like, I like when the band sits on my tummy, you know? So I feel like these might be a little high for me, but if I wear an oversized sweater with it, like, I won't really be picky about something like that. Okay, this piece I absolutely love. It's kind of a tricky piece to have on a hanger, so I'm gonna open it up for you guys. So pretty. This is a one sleeve, again with the one shoulder. It's super pretty and sexy. It's in a little bit of like a knit material. It's really nice. Again, has a double layer so that it isn't super sheer. Really pretty, well made. It comes with the matching pants back here, which I don't know about these pants. I'm gonna have to update you guys when I try them on. They look hella high-waisted. Again, like, you can see the crotch is all the way down here. So being 5'1", like, I need something more like this. Yeah, so being petite, I need something more like that, but hey, we'll see how it goes. If it doesn't look good, I'm mainly just excited for the top because I can pair it with a pair of jeans and it would still look really nice. I got the same cute little button-up crop top in the nude color. So this piece I really, really love. It's really pretty. It's kind of like an off-the-shoulder. I'm gonna try to show you. Yeah, there we go. Like an off-the-shoulder crop top. This one is super cropped, so I would never, like, I just straight up would never wear this in public because it's just like so cropped. That's just me. I'm like a little bit like shy with things like that. Not that I would judge anybody because this is hella sexy. I'd probably be like, yes, girl, rock it. But for me, I'm like a little bit shy. I would never wear something this cropped in public, but it is really pretty. So I'm definitely gonna, you know, use it for photos because, you know, when all else fails and you won't wear something in public, you can like flourish on Instagram. So I got the same track pants and tracksuit in nude, like I showed you guys the gray one, so the same one. And the matching hoodie as well. And also the black crop top that I showed you guys, I got it in white because I kept seeing it on Instagram and I was like, okay, that's it, I need it. This looks incredibly cute with a pair of jeans. Like, I don't know what it is, but just a pair of jeans or shorts. The white like cutout just looks so cute. All right, we got the last two pieces here and I finally got some color in here. So I got the same crop top that I showed you guys in gray in baby blue because I just thought it was so cute. So Meshki also has their classic baby pink that I'm wearing right now and then the baby blue, which so cute. I really wanted to get something baby blue because I just think it's really pretty and I've always been a sucker for like that baby light sky blue. So yeah, super cute. Okay, last piece I had to get. Believe it or not, I do not own a camo denim jacket. I own a camo puffer, which I really love my camo puffer. I wear that one a lot, but I don't have a camo denim jacket. That's really hard to say. So cute. It has a little bit of ripped details, but like nothing crazy. Really, really nice. Again, this one is also in a small, but they made this, like, they made it already oversized. And with this, it actually has, I like this a lot, like simple little buttons. I just feel like that looks really good instead of like the metal buttons. Like, I feel like the metal buttons sometimes, like with this type of style, could look a little tacky. I don't know why, but I'm kind of picturing this with like dark jeans, like maybe really dark gray jeans and black top or like nude. I don't know, but super cute. Okay, you guys, that is pretty much it. I could, like, with all the clothes that are here, I could just lean on it, like take a nap. I hope you guys enjoyed this clothing haul. I will leave the links to everything down below. Just know, as always, actually most of the time, which you guys know this, as always, the links will be an affiliate link, which just means that I receive a really small commission. So I appreciate it. If you don't want to use my links, totally fine. You can just go to Meshki. But if you do choose to purchase through my link, I really appreciate it. And thank you so much. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And as always, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.